time for another video. Today, as you can probably guess, we're going to do a belated Valentine video here because I was working on a lot of customs and I told you guys about it. You might not remember, but it took me a while to finish them. So I'm late to the party, but better late than never. So what I'm going to do today is show you the customs for Valentine's that I worked on this year, 2024. This beautiful girl over here is one that I worked on in the past. I'll show you her a little more close up, but she has a video of her own of custom dolls that I did, I think 2 years ago. I'm not sure. But anyway, y'all know the drill. I'm just gonna get on into the lovely Valentine girls that I worked on for this year that are one of a kind, made by me. So let's just get on into it. First, I'm going to show you this girl that I did in the past. Not going to do a lot about her because she has her own video. Just thought you might like to see her. Now, this is what I was talking about when I told you guys that I used the mesh from the Dollar Tree to make gowns and stuff. That's all I used besides the little rosette flower. These flowers that I customized, I put little hearts. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, little hearts in between the leaves. It was actually a trim ribbon that had these hearts, and I cut them out individually and put them on there. And these roses were white because I couldn't find pink ones, and I used makeup, like blush actually, to color them this pink color. I love this. I love how she turned out. I did her little hair in a little updo with the curls because I didn't want to like undo her actual hair. Like I put it in a bun. And then this back here is a big old crinoline-y fluffy bow. I just love how this turned out, and I used a ton of these roses. I used almost the whole pack, but there is this beautiful girl that I did in the past, just to give you an idea what you can do on your own to customize your rainbow highs, your cute girlies. So there's this first girl. I think she's still beautiful. And this little guy I colored myself. I just thought I'd show it to you a little more close up. Not gonna do a lot of detail on it. I just wanted you to see you can take these little wood things and make them however you want. You can color them any color, any way, and give them little like shading and light, and it's just so super cute, and I love it for my backgrounds. First new Valentine girl for 2024. I just love her. This is Berry Skies. I love her hair. I love her coloring. If y'all don't know about me, I love this color with the blush pink. These are like my two absolute favorite colors in the whole wide world, and I got this material I think 2 years ago, and I've always wanted to do something with it. I just never could come up with something that I thought was cute enough or that I wanted. So this year I did. I love how this turned out. This big, fluffy, cute kind of like baby dollish dress with the pleats at the top and all the like pleating. So pretty. Love, love, love it. Now, something y'all may not know, and I didn't know, these are LOL OMG Fierce shoes, and they fit the rainbow highs. Her original shoes were just too clunky and just wouldn't go with this cutesy little outfit. So I had to change them up. So I was looking around in my shoe stock and at my other dolls, and I thought, oh, these are cute. I wonder if they'd fit. And they do. So if you're curious about that, they do fit. And then I put one of the little wood hearts that I got from Dollar Tree in her hand with a rubber band. I just thought that was so cute. And I made this bow, great big bow on top of her head, and I popped it in with a pin there, as you can see, and it's all enclosed. It's just so cute, and I just love, 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 love how she looks. Just look at how cute she is. Oh my goodness, she's so, so cute. Love, love, love it. Now I'm going to take her off the stand so you can see a 360 of what she looks like. See the little dress and everything in the back there. So cute under her luscious little Shirley Temple curls there. I just think she is so adorable like this. I can't even. She's so cute to me, y'all. I hope she's as cute to you as she is to me. I did every one of these folds, every one of these pleats myself, and hand stitched them. And I hand stitched the hem as well. I did all this by hand. This is all hand sewing. The only thing I didn't get to for this dress that I wanted to was an under crinoline to make it poof out more, but I just ran out of time. There were 2 other dolls I was working on as well, and those outfits didn't get completed, but I'm showing you the completed ones. So there's this beautiful Berry Sky. I absolutely love her, and I hope you do too. And I forgot to say, this is just a wrap dress is all that is, and I tied it off with this little ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree. And next, Pinky Ha. I worked on this beautiful Barbie extra girl. Now this, if you remember from one of my past hauls, my Dollar Tree haul, pigtails. This is just a sock. That's all this is. I made this little skinny dress here, her curves and so cute. Just cut it out and sewed it up the back, and then I hemmed the bottom here, and I gave her these adorably cute little pink shoes with the hearts in the middle. I thought that was adorable. This ribbon I got at Dollar Tree to accent the gray in the sock itself, and then this little heart I just stuck on there. It's one of those like sticky gem heart deals. Super, super cute. And I also around her pigtails here put some of that gray ribbon to accent like and make it all come together. I left her jewelry on because I didn't want to like unband it and stuff, but other than that, she's all completely different from how she came, and I just love how this turned out. It's pretty simple as far as I go for doing things. I like things more like fluffy ball gowns and stuff, but I like to do simple stuff to show you as well that you can make, like this is a sock, y'all, and this looks so fashionable to me, and I think it's so cute on her. I just love how she looks, and I try to make really nice, neat stitches. I don't know if y'all noticed that or not, because I notice stuff like that because I'm a seamstress, and I did the little like chevrons at the bottom of the ribbon here so that it wouldn't fray. It's simple, but I love it, and I hope y'all do too. I think it's so super cute, and I love how she turned out. Valentine-y, pinky cute. And next, another sock creation. This is Ruby. She's the one that I got in that set that has the bed that I'd never seen before. I just thought she was so pretty. I loved her curls. I wanted to do something with her. She's kind of sporty. She's got the little hat on. Now I did put a tissue up in the hat because it was all wonkadoo and stuff. It is a little higher than I'd like it to be, but that's not the point. I used this little jacket because I thought it would look super cute with this bodysuit that I made. Now this is another sock that I got from Dollar Tree in their Valentine section, and I just pinned it to her body. I'll insert because I took some pictures of how I pinned it, and I'll show you. I just pinned it to her body, sewed it up, bam, cute, adorable little bodysuit. Look at how cute it looks. I just love how it looks on her. So super cute, fits perfectly to her little body. Her little curvy body is so, so adorable. I just love how it turned out. I love how all the hearts are kind of like smattered around her legs and everything. And I traded her shoes. These are Kia Hearts shoes, the shoes that she had on, because they just didn't go to me. And I thought these went. I thought this was so cute, and I loved the little furry jacket with it as well. I love doing this. Like, this one to me is simple, and so is the last one I showed you, the Barbie. I like to show you that you can do simple things if you don't really know how to sew that well. This is super easy to do, the bodysuits, because it doesn't have to be perfect, and it has a lot of stretch in the socks. So if you sew it a little off or something, it's not going to be that noticeable because, you know, of the stretch. It'll look like it fits perfect. There's this adorable Ruby for Valentine's Day. I think she's so super cute. I was going to add some stuff to the top here, but I just ran out of time, like I said, and I couldn't figure out what I wanted to do, and I thought she looked nice like this, so I just left it this way. But I hope you all enjoy these one-of-a-kind OOAK cute little customs I do. I absolutely love sharing them with y'all and hearing y'all's feedback. It's just so wonderful to share all the Dolly goodness. And last but certainly not least, and probably my favorite, is this girl. I am so in love with how she turned out because she looks so retro. Now I took her bangs and flipped them up and turned them under and put them into this ponytail to give her this like retro kind of rockabilly look. I just love it. I love how her little headband turned out. I did this band that covers her ears and this bow, and I popped a pin in each of them. I just love her icy white hair with this because it's so red and white and just adorable. I did the poofy arms, and they are separate, so you can take them off and you don't have to have them, or you can leave them. I did the little bodice top, and I popped this little gem on like I did the other girl, the Barbie girl. This one's red though, the other one's pink. And then I put a little bow here. I made a little bow, and I made the bodice top to where it fits her. So I tailored it in here underneath the bust line. I also added a cute little wooden heart to her hand as well, just because I thought they were cute accents to have. I think it's adorable. I was going to make her some earrings, but then when I did this and covered her ears, I didn't want to do that. And I was going to make earrings for Ruby, but like I said, I ran out of time. But this, I forgot to say, is all ribbon. This is all made out of ribbon. This whole entire outfit is made out of ribbon. The only thing that isn't ribbon is this gem, this heart, and her shoes. I made these cute little bows by hand, and this is just thread I doubled over so that I could tie it around her shoe so it is removable and not permanent, and it won't like mess up her shoes if I want to, have them original. But I just thought it was so cute to have these adorable little bows on the shoes. I think it's just that little extra touch of accent you can't skimp out on when you're doing customs, and I love stuff like this, the little tiny details. I also did the little crotch catcher so that the skirt won't ride up on her. And then in the back here, the skirt and the top are two separate pieces, and I used snaps, loving the snaps for closure. I did 2 on the top and 1 on the skirt, and I did 2 ruffled layers to the skirt. Now this was wired ribbon, and I took the wire out of the bottoms here. As you can see it's smushy there, but I left the wire in the top so that I could gather it like this, and then I tied it off and sewed it. Same with the little arm cuffs. I gathered it and then cut it and sewed it together. On the top here, I left the wired part at the top, but I took it out at the bottom here because when you cut it, you can just pull it out of the end, and then you have the little fabric ribbon. So you don't need to keep it, like if you think you can't make something out of a big piece of ribbon because it has a wired edge, you can always pull that out and make whatever you want. I love making fashion out of ribbon. I think that doing that kind of stuff is so cool. Making things unexpectedly from things that you wouldn't think would be like for dolls or for fabric, because they have smaller prints on ribbon, which is better for like the 1/6 scale dolls. So I do that a lot. I left the wire in this bow at the top because I just thought that was cute. It helped it stand out some, but I just love her. I love how retro she looks and like rockabilly and just that flavor, and I just love the icy hair, the really pretty periwinkle eyes, and the light blushing and peachy lips with this red and white combo. I just think she turned out so cute. I love her. Look at her from this side. Love it. I know it's my own creation, but I love it. I think it's awesome, and I love sharing this stuff with y'all, and I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoy seeing my one-of-a-kind creations and seeing what you can do with multiple different things. This was ribbon, that's fabric, obviously, and these 2 I did out of just socks. So you can do whatever you want for your dollies, however you want in your dolly world, and I think it's just great. If you have any questions about the outfits, about what I did, if you want some more in-depth stuff, just let me know down in the comments. So here are all my beautiful Valentine girls for this year, 2024. I hope you enjoyed seeing my one-of-a-kind fashion creations that I like to do for my dollies. So if you've been with me for the whole video up to this point, I do have to say hugs and super big lovely love to all you subscribers and watchers out there. Y'all are so awesome. And I also have to say thank you so very much for being with me and for watching, y'all. As always, I hope everybody watching is well, happy, and safe, having a great dolly day, and that all the good best things that are in this life that can come to you, I honestly truly hope they will. I have to say great big huge lovely subscriber love to all you wonderful lovely subscribers out there. I can never say enough just how special, just how wonderful, and just how great it is to have y'all in the Great Big Dolly Barbie YouTube family that we have built here. Y'all are so sweet and kind. The doll community here is absolutely wonderful, and I'm so glad to be a part of it. So I have to say big ol' hugs and love, and thank you for every little thing you do, y'all. If you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Come on, y'all. Come and join the Great Big Dolly Barbie YouTube family that we have built here, which grows by the day and just keeps getting bigger and blows my mind in all the best ways. I can never say enough just how special, just how wonderful it is that the Great Big Dolly Barbie YouTube family we have has grown so big that we're spreading dolly goodness all over the world. So if you want to become part of this Great Big Dolly Barbie YouTube family we have built here, we would love to have you, because as I always say, in every single way, absolutely everyone, no matter what you're into, is always welcome here. Well, y'all, we did it. I know I'm late, but I hope you enjoy this Valentine-y, one-of-a-kind, super cute, pinky heart loveliness that I created for Valentine's Day this year. So, y'all know what I'm gonna say. Hugs and love. Spread the dolly goodness and love all around. Hope you have a great dolly day. And bye, y'all!